If you ever needed to crop something out of picture and remove anything from picture on iPhone or iPad, this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to crop something out of picture on iPhone or iPad. In order to crop something and remove out of the picture on iPhone or iPad, what you have to do is you have to just open the Photos app and then select and open the photo from which you want to remove anything. Let's say I want to remove this logo from this picture, so I can simply tap on the editing icon here, and after that here we get multiple tools, and among these we will select tools option, and then we will select cleanup, and that will load the cleanup interface for iPhone photos. So in order to crop and remove this logo from this picture, I'll just select the logo area like this, and once that is selected, I'll just release it and then tap on cleanup to confirm it. And as you can see, this is cleaning up, and within a few seconds this will remove the selected object from this picture. So now you can see that this has removed the object that we selected inside this photo. So this way you may crop and remove anything from picture on iPhone or iPad. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to use crop tool in the Photos app on an iPhone or iPad, make sure to tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.